Preview.
Hello friends, welcome back to Kids Fun Learn Club, and today we are going to draw something different, something beautiful. What is that?
Gumdrops.
Gumdrops. What are gumdrops? These are gonna be funny gumdrops. Let's get started. We'll be using a black sketch pen or a black pencil and white paper and some colors. Let's start. So the first gumdrop, the shape of the gumdrop is something like this. Okay, now we just need to copy these similar shapes. Okay,
I made all of them.
and a bigger one in the center.
Why are you using my idea?
We are done. Now the outlines are ready. We draw the eyes. Big eyes of all the gumdrops. Big, big. Once again, big, 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 okay. The closed. Okay. And some faces. Hmm. Okay. Are you done?
No.
I'm done. Now let's quickly.
This one is taped.
Let's color it now. We'll be using the pink color, the sky blue color, the purple color, and yellow color, and maybe orange color. Let's use these colors, okay?
I use my colors.
So the gumdrops are ready. Are your gumdrops ready, Parikshit?
Yeah. This one has no eyes.
No eyes.
Yeah.
What is that?
A zombie eating.
It's a zombie gumdrop. Wow, that's so creative. What gumdrop did you draw? Do not forget to share it with us on Instagram and tag us at the Kids Fun Learn Club and hashtag Kids Fun Learn Club to win some exciting goodies from Parikshit and Kids Fun Learn Club.
Yeah.
Have a good day. See you in the next drawing. Bye bye.